Cloud Application Modernization Checklist: when to rebuild, refactor, or retire. For business leaders who need clear technology decisions without extra jargon. Start with the business problem. What has to keep working? Who owns the system? And what would create risk if the plan is unclear? First, why this topic matters in 2026. Treat this as a planning checkpoint, not a technical side note. The goal is to make the decision easier for leadership, operations, and IT. Second, questions to ask. Document what exists today, where responsibility sits, and what needs to be protected before a change is approved. Third, practical next step. Security, uptime, user experience, compliance expectations, and vendor accountability should be reviewed together. Fourth, the business problem behind the search. A good roadmap gives the team practical next steps, clear timing, and fewer surprises after work begins. For Orange County and mid-market businesses, this is not only an IT topic. It affects budgets, delivery timelines, cybersecurity posture, operational resilience, and leadership confidence. Technijian helps businesses turn technical decisions into practical plans that support growth, reduce confusion, and keep work moving. Take the next step toward a more secure and resilient business. Schedule a consultation with Technijian today. Visit technijian.com to learn more.